Hi mom, hi sir. My name is Christine Apelioni. I am 31 years old from Himamayla City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I'm single, but I have a living partner and we have 2 kids. I studied my 3 years in college at Pan Pacific University, North Philippines, and took up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major of Music and Art. I work here in the Philippines as a service crew in KFC Lacson, Negros Occidental, and also a sales consultant in Lacoste, Makati. In 2017, I decided to work in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years as a domestic helper. I serve 5 family members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 kids, ages 11 years old, 8 years old, and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children, cooking their foods, cleaning the house, and washing their clothes and dishes. I want to work in Romania to give the best of my family and to give the financial stability of my family here in the Philippines. To my future employer, I will do my best to give my love, care, and support to your family as my own family as well, because I am a God-fearing, hardworking, and motivated person. God bless and thank you.